Hello everyone, it's Chris Bali Diving. Today I'm gonna show you our next dive location, which is Padang. Padang, it's small town on east coast of Bali. So this is our boat for today. We call it Juku. It's special made for carry the divers. You can see that there are special holders that you can hold the tanks, and this boat carry up to 8 divers. We're gonna go to beautiful Blue Lagoon. It's around 5-7 minutes drive by boat. We're gonna park the boat there and we're gonna choose our dive site. So a little bit depends of the current, but I believe we're gonna do 2 dives in Blue Lagoon. You can see beautiful corals then, and very often you can see sea turtle. So Padang is around 50 kilometers from the airport of Denpasar. So normally we taking our car here, driving here to Padang, and we're gonna take the boat from here. And here is beautiful restaurant just behind me. We call it Topi Inn, and they have everything what is needed to prepare. They have toilets, they have shower, and we're gonna go for 2 dives. We're gonna come back here and eat lunch in the restaurant. What is the most important in diving? I will explain you now. Then we're gonna go to the boat. Gonna help you to put this equipment on, called BCD. It means buoyancy control device. And inhale. More, yeah, more. Like, and exhale. Okay? Okay, we're going diving in beautiful Blue Lagoon. Woo! Hey, how are you? All good? So, help the beautiful girls. Beautiful girls, please enter the boat. Maybe you're gonna take off your sandals first.
After.
And you?
Happy.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Blue Lagoon. It's around 5 minutes, yeah? Okay. All good? Show the sign, okay? So we just complete the first dive. We're still in Blue Lagoon. Chepi was very good. She never dived before. It was the first dive of her, and now we're gonna do second dive in the same place. Here is very calm water, no current, no waves. Under the boat is around 3 or 4 meters. So now we're gonna for the second dive. After that we're coming back to the beach, and then we have a lunch in Topi in the restaurant. Okay, like this. Yeah. Holding the strap from the bus. Clear?
All clear. 3.
we already back to the beach. We did 2 beautiful dives with the girl who never dived before. At the end of the second dive we seen huge turtles. Conditions were great. Temperature of water was 30 degrees. And now is mid of March. Mid of March actually is one of the best time to dive in this area, in area Padang Bay. So pretty much like this about the diving in Padang Bay Blue Lagoon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers!